Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Fall FabFitFun box. I am so excited to be partnering with them. You guys have no idea. Like, since I started YouTube, this was like a video that I have always wanted to do and be a part of. I've always wanted to partner with them. I'm so excited they emailed me and wanted to collab together. This is a dream come true. And if you guys don't know what FabFitFun box is, it is a seasonal subscription box. So you would get one in the spring, summer, fall, and winter time. And it is $49.99 per box, and it is a $200 value, and it's only $49.99. But even better, if you guys use my link in the description box, you will get it for $39.99 for your first box, which is absolutely amazing. And like I said, there's over $200 worth of product, and that is just incredible. A couple other things that I was reading about FabFitFun that I did not know about that I do want to tell you is that they have changed their boxes, which this is my first box I have received, so I did not know this, but they are now using 100% recyclable craft paper to make their boxes, which is amazing. And also each box raises funds and awareness to certain charities and nonprofit organizations. Right now they are doing No Kid Hungry, and I am just so behind that. And FabFit is all about female empowerment, so most of these items in this box were founded by female companies. And the best part is this is also available in the US, Canada, and the UK. So you guys, let's jump in and see what is in my fall box. So when you open it, which I already had to open mine and set it up super cute because I was really excited to see what was in here. So the first thing that is right on top is their little book. This is really cool because it is all based around fall, and then it shows you all of the items that you received in your box and how much they are. And I really think this is super cool. There is all kinds of stuff in here. There's like your horoscopes, and there is also recipes. Yeah, but anyways, this whole little magazine, this whole little booklet is based around fall time, and I'm so excited to share you guys with what is in my box. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in to the start of the box. So also you can customize your box to your liking, so you can hop on their website and pick out some items that you want versus some other ones. I was kind of excited. A lot of this was makeup in my box, just because they have some really cute totes and curling iron wands, and I don't really need that stuff, so I was really excited that I received items that I will definitely use. So the first two items is a Stila. It is a huge extreme lash mascara, and then this one is the Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner, and they are both in, this one is an intense black. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then, oh, and I really like the little pens like this. I just think those work a lot better, and this goes on so nice. See how much these two are. $45 for the two of them. So the box is only $39.99, and these are more money to buy them at retail price than the box, which is just crazy. So I actually really need mascara too. This is a huge extreme lash mascara, and then this is what it looks like. I am not, okay, there we go. I can kind of show you. Okay, super cool there. Before I get way into it, you also do receive some coupons. This is from Bright Sellers, and then a HelloFresh coupon, 10 free meals with purchase. Cool. I like HelloFresh. Actually, they're really, really good. Okay, the next thing that is in my box is this multivitamin mask radiant complex. Moscow's. I am probably gonna mess up on all of these names, but this is what this one looks like. Like I said, it's a multivitamin mask. And then this retails for $40. So we're already at $85. And for the whole box, it's always over a $200 value, which is amazing because we're already at like $100 right now. So that is awesome. And you get 5 of these masks. I actually can't wait to try one of these. And the next thing in my box is this Culture case. You get a fork, a spoon, and a knife. And it's a teal color, which is really cool. So you just push this open like so. And then you have your set and this is reusable. Also, what else does it say about it? And this is by Hip, and this color of the silver is like a bluish color. So you go camping, or you just want something like this in your backpack, or for lunches. This is super cool to have, like how that really comes in handy. And I don't know if I said, this retails for $14. Okay guys, the next thing in my box is this Laundress New York Crease Release. It is classic, it removes wrinkles. This is what it looks like. And this is normally $16. And it says, easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. So that's kind of cool to keep, like if you're on vacation and you want to throw just dresses in, because I know that when I go on vacation, I always have to hang my clothes up so they don't get wrinkles, and I do not iron. So that is perfect. I can't wait to try this stuff out. And I actually want to try this out just to kind of see what it smells like. Ooh, this smells nice. I can't explain the smell. It's a very clean smell. And it's like something that you'd want to just like kind of spray like as a body mist. I'm really feeling that smell though. I like it. Yeah, like I said, it's a super clean smell. I love that. I like this a lot. I cannot wait to use that. The next thing is Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. All right, so this is what the little box looks like. And then we are gonna open this. Okay, so it says Tranquility Sleep Mist. And this is just a little bottle like so. And let's see what it says. Formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. The mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. And this is $22. I don't know if you go, wow. Okay, this smells really good. And I have used stuff that is supposed to like make you fall asleep or just relaxes you in bed with lavender oil. But this stuff has a nice light lavender smell, so if you're not like a huge fan of it, this is amazing. This is incredible. I love this one. Okay, I just like everything in here so far. This is really exciting for me, so everything I'm probably gonna like. I'm just super excited about this. Okay, so the next thing is this mason jar hydration kit. It says make more than a mason jar. This is regular $35. $35. So it is like a little glass mason jar. Oh, and this is even cute without the little, this is so cool. So you can use this for hot and cold. And it says ditch the plastic and opt for the sleek glass bottle, holds up to 20 ounces. I love that there is a measuring thing on the side. So it fills up 2 cups pretty much. It says mason tops on the side. And then this would be really, this is just really cool to put anything in. Tea, water, and at least you know like how much water you're drinking. So that's kind of cool. I like that. It'll keep your drinks cold, keep your drinks hot. I like it, I love it. And the next thing I received is this Gloss Medic hair removal device. This retails at $59. Insane, that's crazy. It says instantly and painlessly sweeps away unwanted hair from any areas of your body. Okay, so I'm gonna have to just open this to see. I've never had a hair removal device, so I'm kind of curious. Okay, so it comes with a AA battery. It looks like that. And then I'm thinking we should probably try this out just to see. It's not gonna harm anything. We'll see. I'll tell you if it hurts or not. And let's try, how do we open this? Oh, easy enough. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't hurt. That's pretty cool. Kind of feels like it's pulling, but not like, I don't know. Anyways, this is pretty cool. And for $60, look at this. This is super tiny. I like it. Last thing is this Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. Pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. That smells like a party in a bottle. Okay, I am definitely, okay, we gotta sniff this. All right. Okay, this, you can really smell the pumpkin like mixed with apricot. That is what it smells like to me, and that's really the only 2 smells you can get, which is a really light scent, which I like the light scent. I don't want anything too overpowering. I'm not a huge apricot fan, but the pumpkin and I think everything mixed together just makes it smell a lot better. All right, guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to FabFitFun and you guys want to check them out, I will leave my link in the description box below so you can get your first box for only $39.99. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and let me know in the comments below if you guys already get FabFitFun and what has been your favorite box. I heard that the fall box is always the best one, but I don't know because this has been my first one. So I would love to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.